Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology 1 Lab. I am your humble instructor, Greg Barnhill, and I made this short video to help guide you through these lesson sets that are part of your course requirements here at Howard College San Angelo for this online course. Now, if you've already clicked on the link at the bottom of the Blackboard page, then you have already pulled this page up, obviously if you're watching this video, and you have seen what is the table of contents. Now, if you go back out of these lessons and come back inside again, you can go to any page on this lesson and click on it. There's the hypertext. So it's just basically a table of contents. I'm going to click on page 1. Now, the first thing you have to do on anything in Blackboard is go up here in the corner, and this little shield, you want to deactivate it. You click on it. It has options. You select the disable protection for now, and it's going to take you back out again. Now, if you click on it again, you're going to see all the little bells and whistles. So here's the guy, there we go, a little spooky guy in the corner, you can see that. Now here avatars are showing up, and obviously these are underneath the video you're watching now. I'd like you to take a chance to get to meet these guys after watching this video. You'll notice right away, see their eyes and everything follow your mouse. Now, this is the introduction page. Just a couple of things here. Read through the instructions. There are notes, learning activities, videos, some difficult questions you have to answer. These are broken down into modules. As far as the navigation goes, there is some bold text I will show you in a minute that you can move your mouse over, and it has embedded quotations inside. But basically, yeah, this module has written notes for you to look at. You may attempt the questions as many times as you wish at this point to get the correct answers. They are set up to be unlimited, so get 100 on every assignment. Beware of the web shield. I just showed you that. See up here in the corner, see the little red X is through? We have now deactivated the web shield and we are good. So we have to do that every single time that you do one of these lessons. If you ever see it on an assignment or during an exam, always deactivate it. Okay, to do this course, you must use the Mozilla Firefox browser. You have to do it. It runs all of the little plugins that are needed for all of these little neat GIFs and activities you're going to be doing. So please use the Mozilla Firefox browser. Google Chrome will support some of this, but the best browser to use is this one. If you don't have that already, there is a link right here on the left where it says Firefox under Required Media, where you can download that to your computer. In fact, I'm going to click on that now. Yeah, it will take you to the website, and there it is. There is the Firefox Mozilla browser. So I'm going to exit out of that. These are your plugins that are required, and you see them over here on the left. Here's the Shockwave Player, the Adobe Reader, the Apple QuickTime, and this is called a JavaScript plugin. You need all of these. If you don't have them, go ahead and click on your computer and go ahead and download them anyway. It may say already installed, but install all of these. You will need all of them, and those are legit sites. You will not download any spyware or malware. Hopefully, they are very legit sites, and they're from the actual manufacturer. Now, on these links on the side, here is a notes section. You have notes for every single thing you're going to be doing. This is written just like it's a textbook. You can download these to your computer. You can upload those to Google Drive and take those on your phone wherever you want to go. This one only happens to be 5 pages. We're not covering a whole lot in this first section. Levels of organization, homeostasis, but that's a section of notes if you wish to use those. This is a chapter outline if you like that better. It's a little bit longer. See, it's broken down into an outline form. Here you have some pictures. See, these are the all the terms you're going to be covering. Regions of the upper limb. Same thing. You can actually download this to your computer or any one of your devices using Google Drive. Chapter slides. This is a PowerPoint that has already been saved in a handout type format. So you don't have to go to the library and print these out, or you can, but you don't have to print out the entire slides. It's already there for you on the pages, and it's actually labeled with the headers, what you're going to be covering in this particular class. And then you also will have an exam review. I'll go with you later. Now, under the more resources, this is OpenStax. If you click on this, OpenStax is a free online textbook. It's out of Rice University, and it is 100% legit. If your phone has a QR reader, you can actually watch some interactive videos through this, but it is an online book, and it is everything that any other textbook would have. Same thing here. You can download this to your computer, and then you can upload that to your phone on Google Drive, and you can take it wherever you want to go. And click on that. You can use this as a resource to answer your questions in your lessons if you wish to. Now, this is a website called Interbody. If you click on this, you can go to any system. It gives you all kinds of options. It'll give you explanation. This one happens to be the muscle. Yeah, you can do interactive 3D, rotate and zoom if you wish. It's going to take a minute for it to load. So the biodigital human. There it is. See, you can rotate that around and look at the bones and every single body system. You can get super close. You can click on the hips. It'll tell you all of the landmarks and everything. It tells you all kinds of information about every single body system. This is a coloring tab if you wish. If you have kids and you want them to help you, you can actually color these terms. This is the stuff we're going to be covering for the introductory lab portion. Same thing here. You have all these different areas that you can color, and there's some written areas that also will help you with your study. And this is called Anatomy Arcade. If you get bored, you can go play games. Some of this stuff is just really cool. This Whack-A-Bone is just awesome. It's got great sound effects. And you hit the begin button here, it asks you for your level. If you do the arm, you hit the begin button again, it'll give you a countdown. And then you are required to place the bones in their correct locations on the body. Let's see how I do here.
Scapula.
There's a scapula, there's some carpals, there's an ulna, there's a radius.
Congratulations, you reached the 80% cutoff score.
Play around with. And we will be playing games throughout the semester, and I will be giving bonuses based on who has the highest scores. This is a pronunciation tab. If you have trouble with any of the words, this is through the Merck manual. You can click on any of these, and it will actually tell you what the word is.
Adenoma.
So these tabs will always be here once you negotiate. Some of these may not be on some pages. For the most part, every single page you will have these on the left-hand side. If at any point you want to go to these and check out some other information. Okay, what this is an online radio player. If you want to click on it, you can actually listen to music. There's a classic rock, pop rock, and a hip hop station. If you click on those, you can change the stations in between. If you're someplace you have
and
headphones,
this is my impression of a politician.
you will listen to the radio while you do this.
And
you can
their
actually
cars,
click on this
and
little
progressive.
arrow. See, it will show it up here, and then you can actually play it while you're doing these lessons. If you skip page to page, you see it's down here at the bottom. It'll put it at the bottom of your page, and it will continue the radio station as you go through the lessons. So I'm going to go back. Now, this is called a lecture presentation. You do not have to view this, but it's basically a PowerPoint that is not showing up at the moment. Interesting. Okay, I'll come back to that. That's interesting. And here we go. This is the first beginning of the lab. Now, I'll always give you a little inspirational video. This happens to be used to force, but here are your questions. Now, you can answer these as many times as you wish. I'm just picking random answers. When you hit the check answers part, it will tell you which ones you got right or wrong. But if you want to do them again, you have to open it back up and then do them again. It will not tell you which ones you got right or wrong. So you can see you got 6 out of 9 there. And here's your score over here on the right. Okay, so basically you're going to navigate every single page. This is a video lecture. I'll let my lab assistants explain that to you later. These are learning activities. Once again, click on the little lab assistant part here and they'll tell you all about it. You'll have these little picture books that you can flip through. They have all different types of pictures from different textbooks on the stuff that you're going to be covering. And this is Quizlet. And if you get a chance, click on this. This is really neat. You can hit this little drop down menu and do all kinds of things with the terms you're going to be doing. This is called a space race, but it's really neat. You type in the word to see and it gives you a score. It's really cool. And then here at the bottom will be the questions you're going to be answering. These are drag and drops. These are multiple choice. You answer those. You can check your answers. And then you go to the next page when you're done. Now these soft chalk lessons, you don't have to finish them when you sit down. You can go and come back as much as you want. It's going to ask you, do you want to continue, or do you want to finish your lesson, or do you want to start all over again? Once you have done all of these, you're going to get to the end, the very last page, which is the assignment completion. Once again, little video, and down here will be a finish button. I do not have this in student mode at the moment, but you'll have a finish button at the bottom. Make sure you click that. It will submit your grade to the gradebook. And if you have any questions, please email me at my Howard College email. Thank you.